Hey there, DFW flippers, and those thinking about it. If you're like me, you've probably binge-watched your fair share of house flipping shows. It looks so easy, right? Buy a wreck, sprinkle some renovation magic, and bam, instant profit. Well, I'm Anthony Coleman, a Dallas real estate agent with boots on the ground experience, and I'm here to tell you, it's not always that simple, especially here in North Texas. Over-renovating is a real thing, and it can eat away at your profit margins faster than a termite through a 2x4. In this video, we're going to dig into what it means to over-renovate, why it's a pitfall you want to avoid, and most importantly, how to flip a house strategically in the DFW market without blowing your budget. What the heck is over-renovating anyway? It's when you go all out on upgrades, exceeding what buyers in the neighborhood are willing to pay for. Think spa-like bathrooms in a starter home, or a chef's kitchen in a modest ranch. Sure, it looks pretty, but you won't recoup that money when it's time to sell. Why over-renovating is a flipper's foe. Lower ROI. Your return on investment takes a nosedive when you're spending more than necessary. Limited buyer pool. Not everyone wants or can afford top-of-the-line everything. You might be pricing yourself out of the market. Missed opportunities. That money could have been used for another flip, building your portfolio. Flipping in DFW. Know the rules of the game. Know your target buyer. Are you flipping for young professionals, families, or empty nesters? This dictates your renovation strategy. Do your homework. What are comparable homes selling for in your area? What types of updates are buyers actually expecting? Prioritize the essentials. New roof, updated HVAC. Those things scream value and peace of mind to buyers. Keep it neutral. You might love turquoise tile, but most buyers don't. Go with classic, timeless choices that appeal to a broad range of tastes. The sweet spot of smart renovations. Here are some DFW-specific tips. Kitchens, refacing cabinets, adding granite look counters, and Energy Star appliances go a long way. Bathrooms, reglazing tubs, updating fixtures, and fresh paint can transform the space. Flooring, durable and easy to maintain options like luxury vinyl plank, LVP, are in high demand. Your action plan: find the right house. Don't overpay, consider location and potential. Budget meticulously. Account for every expense, from permits to staging. Partner with pros. Use trusted contractors to keep the project on track. Market it like a rock star. Professional photos, virtual tours, the works. Remember, flipping in the DFW market is about smart decisions, not over-the-top luxury. If you're ready to take on your first flip or level up your investing game, I'm here to help. Drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips.